Our research revolves around urchins and how they affect the kelp forest ecosystem. Urchins have decimated a majority of the kelp forest within the Northern Californian coast.
Urchin populations were kept in check by predators like sunflower sea stars and sea otters, which can no longer be found in the kelp bed ecosystem. Because of this and rising ocean temperatures, urchins have been multiplying in record numbers. Some kelp is chemically defended from being eaten by sea creatures, and we want to see how urchins react when fed this defensive algae so we can see if it lessens their appetite for bull kelp. What's most interesting about my experiment is that we can see if defense algae can be outplanted with bull kelp or other kelp species that are under threat due to urchin barrens. And this is the first step in seeing if that's a viable option. To do this, we dry and weigh out our kelp species. 2 defense ones, Desmorestia and Dictyonurum, as well as giant kelp for control. Here you see bull kelp, which will be put into treatments after 2 days. Measuring the urchins and randomly selecting which of the 3 treatments it'll call home for the next 4 days is imperative to having even results. Treatment containers are arbitrarily arranged around the tank. We place rocks on top, as there have previously been escapees. We then remove the initial kelp, weigh it, and replace it with bull kelp for another couple days.
What I like the most about research is being able to go outside and discovering something new, because there are many things that are we just don't know. I like going through the process of finding these organisms and studying them in the lab and putting them through experiments to see if any of these hypotheses that we come up are actually true or not.
My takeaway message is that kelp forests are really important. They help buffer our coastlines from extreme storm actions to help coastal communities. It's also a very viable source of food used traditionally by our native peoples, and it houses the fish that we know and love, used recreationally through fishing and through snorkeling and diving.